The Let's Play SA Hockey Modified Hockey program continues to thrive and is impacting far-flung communities by introducing the game of hockey whilst also becoming a part of the school's curriculum. Going as far as Bushbuckridge, where hockey has become accessible to schools such as Bushbuckridge and Sedibeng Primary. This has become a great opportunity for teachers, students and community members to upskill and expose themselves to the opportunities the program has to offer. Teachers, whilst learning the game, also being equipped with valuable skills such as project management and talent identification.
How am I finding hockey, the learning part of it? I'm loving the transition. I love the fact that it's transformative. It takes the black child out of the marginalized places of not knowing other sporting codes. So it's kind of inquisitive and interesting to know other sporting codes other than the ones that are just normally rendered in our fields. See, with hockey, the benefit that I've seen is that in as much as we teach them how to be disciplined, how to learn the tactics of playing hockey, it has built their morale. Morally, they are developed. When we look at them, and initially when they were just coming to school without something to have fun of, now, as well, they have something to look upon and then have fun within. So it's like, in a way, ignited their passion. We've seen a change of personality. Like I said, morally, they are developed. And for us as teachers to see that kind of a development in learners, it's something that you cannot only have in class, but if you're having it in a sporting code, then I feel like learning and having fun, it goes hand in glove.
I must confess, this is a very good program for this initiative for it to come to the rural area, because the truth of the matter is that looking at the 4th district in Mpumalanga province, this is the most rural area in Mpumalanga, and for us to have this in this particular environment, it exposes learners, it exposes everybody to the world, because the truth of the matter is that the people that are doing fine also in hockey, they started from somewhere, and for them to have started from the rural area, it's a very good program. One of the benefits that I also learned so far is it creates a good relationship between the learner, between the teacher and the coaches. I also learned the communication between different schools in a different environment and different districts, so that we can be able to also network this game of hockey, because everything still boils down from these grassroots. Catch them youngs, that's what they usually say.
Bushbuckridge and Sedibeng Primary are the central hubs known as the Let's Play Centres of Excellence, where the program comes together in the Bushbuckridge region. 10 additional nearby primary schools form part of a Neighbourhood Schools League program under the guidance of SA Hockey Coordinator Robert Chilwane. Chilwane, a decorated hockey player and now coach, is tasked with growing the game in the region through teacher training and the management of the hubs.
We are here in Bushbuckridge in Mpumalanga, Sedibeng, Shatali, whereby in fact the modified hockey program is based on the development and transformation. So our aim basically is for us to give almost everyone an opportunity. When talking about the development and the transformation, you see that now you are in the deep rural area in Bushbuckridge in the province of Mpumalanga. From this program, some of the schools have scheduled the practice session to start from Monday until Wednesday, while others, they don't have enough time to practice. They practice on Wednesday, and then we are looking forward to have the match games or the league games on Fridays and on Saturdays. Since there are some other local schools that are looking forward, they have knocked, and then obviously we're not going to lock them outside the program. Since we have started last year with 6 primary schools, and then now we have also invited the other 6. So we have got the promising 4, if not 6, in the next 12 years. We just need to have the sustainable system. So in fact, we are looking to grow these sports from Bushbuckridge, whereby we, as I've said earlier on, that we need to give almost everyone an equal opportunity to play hockey, so that they could be having the opportunities to get bursaries, to get admitted at the varsities.
Everyone needs to look good during match days, right? Let's Play partner Bestmed Medical Scheme was on hand to hand over playing kit that the 12 participating schools will use during league player. As the schools gain a better understanding of the sport and become more proficient at it, they'll get to compete in an inter-schools festival for the Bestmed Cup.
Bestmed Medical Scheme started their journey with Supersport Let's Play in 2021. We started off with the sponsorship of the very popular Family Morning Fitness Show, where we wanted to get families up on a Saturday morning and encourage them during a difficult time in COVID to get active and to stay healthy. But this year, for 2022, we are looking at the second season of the Family Morning Fitness Show, but also looking to take hands with Supersport Let's Play with wonderful initiatives like this SA hockey program that they're implementing. As a proudly South African company, Bestmed Medical Scheme feels that it's important for us as a corporate to stand up and look at these communities that don't necessarily have the equipment and the training that other schools in more mainstream areas would have. We are very humbled and excited to be a part of this initiative. As a scheme, we know the importance of exercise and being healthy and what role it plays on your mental and physical health. We are very excited knowing that we're going to make a difference in these young people's lives. The hard work starts now. We are very excited to see in a couple of months what all the training and the skills that these kids have learned and how that's going to play out when we host the Bestmed Cup.
First and foremost, we would like to appreciate MultiChoice for being so faithful and being so honest. To say they are not constructing the pitch and leaving us like that. They promise us to train us, to organize even tournaments, and this is what we are seeing. They've even organized a coach who is based provincially. He's the one who's organizing the teams. And we also want to indicate that he's organizing even the tournament. The last tournament that we had, it's recently, on the 9th of August, we had the last tournament.
I will use the opportunity to also say a very big thank you to the organizer of this event.
This is an indication of a continuous relationship with MultiChoice.